Good morning, guys. We are now finally at Vallåkraträffen here in south of Sweden. A lot of cars are rolling in. The clock is around about 10 minutes past 10. We're gonna be here 2 days. I'm gonna try to film a bunch of cars. They have drifting shows, they have helicopters, they have everything here. So hopefully the weather is gonna be with us. And I'm gonna try to do some interviews if anyone dares to do an interview in English, so everyone on my channel can understand. So one of the most craziest builds here in Sweden is Mattsson's Volvo V70. It's a 2013, right? So in the beginning they weigh around about 1650 kilos. It's now rebuilt to rear wheel driven. It's not front anymore. It's a T5 engine. And now it weighs 1150, right? Yeah. Or 1190?
1190.
1190 kilos, guys. It's crazy. So Mattsson is a really well-known builder here. It's one of my favorite builders in Sweden. So now we're going to take you around the whole car and try to explain a little bit of the features that he's done. So he rebuilt the whole chassis of the car. He has carbon fiber all over the car. He's done the whole floor himself. It's so much details in this car, but foremost the color is beautiful, matching together with the carbon fiber. But the whole chassis is built by Henrik, and it's just the details all over the place. If you just can see all the metal that's done perfectly himself. He handmade this in his workshop. He has a carbon fiber flooring. He's done a custom tank with new performance parts. It's just insane of the amount of work. Just look up in the roof. The A and B and C pillars, they are custom made, and the carbon fiber roof. You have so much to look at. Just the side pipes going through the door. The details in this car is insane. It's a custom interior, and of course he has the drive shaft tunnel in carbon fiber. And what I pointed out in the ABC's pillars, this is not OEM for V70, I can tell you. And as a painter myself, just to paint this car inside, it's a nightmare. It's his brother that painted this car, and it looks really beautiful. As Henrik said before, it's a Volvo T5 engine. It delivers around about 500 horsepower, and that's on just plain gas. Or as I told you before, Volvo V70 is front wheel drive. He rebuilt it to being a rear wheel driven car. I'm gonna put the star is Henrik Mattsson. I'm gonna put his Instagram down below so you can follow this work that he has done, and just enjoy the craftsmanship that he has done on this Volvo. And here we can see the Swedish military escorting in all the drift cars, and they're gonna do a real show for us. So lay back and enjoy. So the first car that's already here is Mr. Rosendal's Volvo C70, and it's a 2006 model. I'm gonna put in an old picture of the car here in the screen right now, and this is his version. It's insane, guys. So this is his awesome C70 speedster, he calls it, and as you can see, he's done so many modifications. The list is very long, and I don't know, it's radical. It looks fast. It's a real speedster, so he's done a great job with this car. Wow. So the car show here is gonna pick 10 cars of the show that's gonna compete of the best build in Sweden. So I hope this is one of the cars. And just as a reference, here we got the person that owns the car. This is Mr. Rosendal. So I'm gonna put his Instagram down below so you can follow him. Go and check his homepage out. It's insane. Check the story out from the beginning to the end. This is his awesome car. Dude, look at this. We came to our cottage that we're having, and look what he found. That's the spider we have in Sweden. That's a big one. Dude. So now we're finally at the cottage that we're gonna stay tonight, and this is how it looks. We're gonna be 4 people cramped up in here, and our neighbors are on that side.
Hello.
Hello. We're gonna have some barbecue in the other cottage, but this is how it looks. And I'm gonna be sleeping up there, and as you know, I'm quite big, but hopefully I'm gonna fit up there. I'm just gonna show you. We have a lot of spiders up here, so hopefully I'm not turning into Spider-Man tonight. And this is where we're gonna sleep tonight. As you can see, it's not high in the roof and dangerous to go down. So this was the first day at Vallåkra, and tomorrow is the big finale. It's gonna be a lot of drifting, a lot of cars, bikes, hot rods. So I'm gonna try to film as much as possible. And here we got security guys. What do you want, huh? See you later. I'm gonna take a shower. We're gonna go over and make a beautiful barbecue.